Hi, Mo. What you got there? Did you find a little stick? That's a lot of fun, huh? Yeah, Mommy spends all that money on bird toys. And the coolest thing is this little stick. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Show everyone what a pretty boy you are. Let's show them your tail. Being bashful. Yeah. Can you step up? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I make you drop your precious little toy? Yeah. I'm sorry. You're a very good boy, Mo. Can you give the camera a kiss? Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Kiss. Good boy. Aww. Good boy. You want to go up here? Let's see. Where can we put you? Where do you want to go? How about over by the window? Yeah. There you go. Good boy, Momo. He's so pretty. With this little ball. Oh, did you drop it? What about a birdie bagel? Would you like a birdie bagel, Mo? There you go. Good boy. We got Mr. Nosy Boy over here. Little Boo screaming at the camera. Yeah? You like to scream? You're obnoxious. Yeah, you know that, right? Silly. Uh-oh. Where'd he go, Mo? What'd you find? Did you find a snack? Oh boy. You want to step up? Good boy. Where are we going to go now? Over here? And go see what Zeus is up to? Is Zeus up to no good? Is he up to no good? You playing your castle? Yeah, I made a little castle on the couch. Yes, I did. Spoiled, rotten little birds. Aww. You being shy, Zeus? Showing everyone how you can fly now? What a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Go fly. Go fly. Good job, baby. Whoa. Where'd he go? Where is he? Oh my goodness. Little stinker. Aw. Come on, step up. Good boy. Okay, say goodbye.